Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Shall we start or wait for some more time?
Let's start, sir.
Last weekend, सुन रहे हो?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Narayana CO batch students wrote matrices and determinants exam. They finished the topic. We are at the beginning. Okay.
Yes, sir.
I posted their Saturday's exam paper the other day. They write on Sunday 3-hour advance exam. In fact, they wrote one 3-hour advance exam on a 3-hour advance exam on all 3 subjects. In that, maths topic is again matrices. That question paper also I procured. Today after the class, I'll post that question paper also. Now, quickly recall what we have done. We will not recall all the properties, man. थोड़ा time नहीं है. Last 2 properties which we discussed. I think names are 10 and 11, no? Or 11 and 12? 11 and 12. Property 11. Determinant. Say alpha A come on, write the right hand side. Determinant fill the gaps. Yeah, can you fill the gaps? What's the answer? First one.
alpha in column 1 APX BQI CRZ
APX
BQY
BQY
CRZ
CRZ. This alpha you took common from
column 1
column 1. Next one, man.
lambda
Alpha
1 lambda 2
lambda 1,
lambda
lambda 2,
3
lambda 3.
Lambda 2, lambda 3.
row 1,
row
row
1 row 2 row 3
Row 2, row 3. Column determinant
PQR element alpha beta gamma
PQR element alpha, beta, gamma.
K power N.
K cube determinant
Yes, sir.
What's the answer? First one.
K
K
cube.
cube determinant of A
Next
K
one.
power n
N
determinant
power
of
n
A
determinant of A.
Theta power and determinant A.
oh, theta.
Determinant of an skew symmetric matrix of even order not equal to 0 in general. What about odd order? Is equal to 0. Always. Next. Can I clear this off?
Yes, sir.
All these 12, 13, 14 properties you have. 11 does not mean remaining are waste, but these are very important. They use this in problems quite often. Pay attention. Look here, man. Property number 13. Determinant A1 plus A2, A3, sorry. Property number 13. All of you, listen to them carefully. 13 and 14. Pure problems, pure hang upon these two determinants or these two properties. Look here. Determinant A1 plus A2, A3 plus A4, A5 plus A6, A7, A8, A9, बोलो B1, B2, B3. I spoke about this property on Thursday and then closed down the class.
Yes,
I
sir.
said this can be split into two determinants. What is determinant 1? Determinant बोलो
1.
A1, A3, A5. First entry A1, A3, A5. Next A7, A8, A9, B1, B2 plus determinant
A2, A4, A6,
A4, A6.
A7, 8, A9.
A4, A7, A8, A9, B1, B2, B3. Proof is quite obvious. इसको expand करो, you can show LHS is equal to RHS. That's also I proved on Thursday. You can always verify. Proof is no big deal. Now pay attention. This speaks about two things. बच्चे लोग, this is what important for the exam. This speaks about two things. One, left to right. Another, right to left. What does left to L2R says,
split,
left to right says, you can split that's in this splitting. How are entries of first row? Entries of first row are sum of how many elements? 2 elements. This is what left to right says. Left to right says. बच्चों लोग, this is also important. What do right to left says?
combine,
Right to left says. Right to left says. Right to left says. You can add determinants. You can add that's addition. Addition is it same as matrix addition? No. Different from what? Matrix addition. Hello, hello, hello. How is that addition done? How is that addition done? How is that addition done? Those two rows that are fixed, those two rows that are fixed, fix them. Those two rows that are fixed, fix them. Those two rows that are fixed, fix them. Those two rows elements are varying. Those two rows elements are varying. Add the corresponding entries. Remember, इसी प्रकार in a similar manner ये बोलो that of a1 plus a a4 plus a5 plus a6 a7 plus a8 plus a9 बोलो मैं b1 b2 b3 c1 no will not put c1 b1 b2 b3 b4 b5 b6 how is this determinant man how is this determinant how is this determinant man follow entries of entries of what column 1 are sum of how many elements man
3,
3 elements into how many determinants you can split into
3,
how many determinants you can split 3
3.
determinants come on complete the formalities write the property complete the formalities write the property
Done, sir.
बच्चे लोग ऑल ऑफ यू हो गया?
Yes, sir.
yes sir.
Determinant. What's the first one, man? A1, B1, B4, A4, B2, B5, A7, B3, B6 plus determinant. बोलो. हाँ. बच्चे लोग एप्लीकेशन करेंगे?
Yes
Yes, sir.
sir.
तैयार हो? देखो आंसर आना इसका. Anybody answer? Looks crazy on face of it, but simple man. Sigma R equal to 1 to 1. What do you mean by delta R? dr. बोलो जी. d1 plus d2 plus d3 so on till where dn. Sigma stands for summation. I expanded. Look here. What do you mean by d1? What do you mean by d1? Put r equal to 1. Look at this. Look at this column. Any R? No. Look at this column. Any R? No. What happens to these two columns? These two columns remain fixed. These
Yes.
two columns stand still. These two columns don't change. In all the, how many determinants are there? How many determinants are there? How many determinants are there? N determinants. इन पूरे n determinants में दो कॉलम remain fixed, remain atal, stand still, don't change. Which are they? Column 1 and column 2. Which one vary? Only third column, because third column is depending upon R. Chalo, complete the problem now. But chalo, don't write these two. Dash, 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 dash. Put R equal to 1. 1, 1 square, 1 cube. Second, dash, 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 dash. Third wala, 2, 2 square, 2 cube. Plus, third, dash, 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 dash. Bolo, 3, 3 square, 3 cube. Last wala, dash, dash,
zero na sir.
dash, dash below, n square, n cube. Just now I spoke in property 12 or 13. In property 13, left to right or right to left or right to left. कौन सा use करना? Right to left. What does it becomes? Now what is the entry? 1 plus 2 plus 3 below 1 square, 2 square, so on till n square. Next, 1 cube, 2 cube, so on till n cube.
Answer is 0, sir.
Oh. Now write the first column. What is first column? n into n plus 1 by
N plus 1 by 2.
n plus 1, 2n plus 1 by 6, n square, n plus 1 whole square by 4. Follow? Alpha, beta, gamma. What is this again? What is 1 plus 2 plus 3 so on till n bachalo? n into
N into N plus 1 by 2.
n into n plus 1, 2n plus 1 by 6. N square, n plus 1 whole square by 4. What is this determinant? 0. Why? Since
One and
C1
column here same.
identical to C1 identical to C1 identical to C3.
Sir, I'm not understanding the last second step. Hello, sir.
Which one, man?
Last second step, sir. How are you substituting that? I'm not understanding.
One I am substituting.
That,
This one.
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
These two columns are fixed. Fix them. Are the varying ones. That's what property, earlier property, right to left says. Can
Yes,
you
sir.
add two determinants? Yes.
Yes.
How is that addition done? Though column which are unchanged, don't change them. Those columns add the corresponding entries. That's what I have done. It is there in properties, earlier property. Uska application.
Okay, sir. Got it.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Can I clear this off?
Yes, sir. Completed.
Can I clear this off, man?
Yes, sir. Sir, that should be 1 cube, sir. 3 cube.
क्या हुआ जी?
First one, sir. The second step. That should be 1 cube. One square, 1 cube.
जान दो ना. हाँ, this is correct only. Now property number
14.
13 or 14?
14.
I forgot the number. Man. Look here. Determinant A, B, C is equal to determinant through this. Pick up RHS, pick up RHS, pick up RHS, and prove RHS equal to LHS. All of you, pick up RHS and prove RHS equal to LHS.
Proved, sir.
Come on. Rudman,
Yes, sir.
Rudman, I picked up RHS.
Yes, sir.
क्या किया मैं? क्या किया मैं? A B C बोलो P Q R X Y Z plus determinant बोलो मैन
KP, KQ, KR.
A P K Q
Yeah, QR.
what is this? Plus K common from first row. What does it becomes?
PQR, PQR. And it will be 0.
Determinant what is this man? Reason R1
Row 1 and row 2 are similar.
R2
Done, sir.
Hello. 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 What is happening here? Can you see any relation?
Yes, sir.
Right to left. Sorry, left to right. All of you. I want whole class. I want whole class to look at your screens. Please do not write here and there. Do not look here and there. Directly at your screens. If you are ready, I'll start. This is very
Yes, sir.
important.
Yes, sir.
Listen to this properly. From left hand side, how do I go to right hand side? From left hand side, how do I go to right hand side? R1 is replaced by R1 plus here. R1 is replaced by arrow stands for replaced. Arrow stands for replaced. R1 replaced by below R1 plus
KR2.
all of you pay attention. इसको अपन प्रॉब्लम्स में लेफ्ट राइट सेंटर फ्रंट बैक हर तरीके से यूज करते हैं. Read this. R1 replaced by R1 plus
R1 plus
KR2.
KR2.
This is called, what is it called? Row this is called row when performed on a column. It's called, what is it called? Column.
Column operation.
Pay attention. Pay attention. What I'm trying to tell you is, What I am trying to tell you is, look here, determinant is equal to, say, A1 A7 plus lambda 1 A4 lambda 2 A1 A8 plus lambda 1 A5 lambda 2 A2 A9 plus lambda 1 A6 plus lambda 2 A. Hello, is LHS equal to RHS? What is the operation that has been performed? What is the operation that has been performed? A7, A8, A9, A7, A8, A9, A4, A5, A6, A4, A5, A6, lambda 1 आ गया, A1, A2, A3, A1, A2, A3, lambda 2 आ गया. Here, the performed operation is, बच्चे लोग बोलेंगे C3 arrow. What does arrow stands for? Arrow stands for replaced by. C3 replaced by, बोलो मैम.
C3 plus lambda 1 C2 plus lambda 2 C1.
Lambda 1 C2
C2 plus
lambda.
lambda 2 C1.
All of you, I'm waiting here. I'll give you time to copy. Did you follow what I wrote?
Yes, sir.
Chalo, come on, all of you. Chalo, copy this. All determinant problems, entire determinant problems इस पे ही hang करता है. All determinant problems have to be solved using only this property. Just I know expansions, I will expand बोले तो life becomes horrible, life becomes miserable. पूरे determinant chapter, पूरा determinant chapter has to be done using this.
Done, sir.
Jasim finished.
Finish, sir.
Shoaib finished.
Yes, sir.
Noman Shorwadi, if I did I pronounce correctly, man?
Numer, sir.
Finished. Saman Numer
Done,
finished.
sir.
Finished, sir.
Uttar Pradesh finished. Warangal finished. Shall I?
Yes, sir.
Look at determinant. Try writing expanding this way. A minus B into C minus A into B minus C minus A minus B into C minus A, B minus C, C minus A, B minus A. Hello. A minus B, C minus A into correct only I wrote, man. First of all, I started. You try expanding it by usual method, man. Life becomes miserable. Try expanding usual method. Life becomes miserable. Now, I'm telling you the idea. I'm telling you the idea. जो होना कर सकते हैं आप. क्या कर सकते हो? क्या कर सकते हो?
R1
R1
plus
replaced by R1 replaced by R1 plus R2 plus R3. What do you mean by R1 replaced by R1 plus R2 plus R3? this, add these three, add these three, add these three, A minus B, B minus C, C minus A, addition will give you what? Will give you what? Tell me.
0.
Second entry, third entry, next B minus C, C minus A, A minus B. बच्चे लोग, is this clear? बच्चे लोग, is this clear? Is this
Yes, sir.
clear? What is the data value? 0. Why? Since row 1 has all entries.
0.
Now, please understand the logic. Please understand the logic. Is this a rule? Is this a rule that you should do only this? No, you can prove zeros in many ways. Or, follow, R2 replaced by R2 plus R1 plus R3. What does it becomes? A minus B, B minus C. Shall I write? What do you mean by this? R2 replaced by R2 plus R1 plus R3. This three you are adding. What will I get? B minus
0.
B, A minus B, C minus A. Next, C minus A, follow. B minus C, A minus.
A minus B.
I'm expanding also and showing. Last one. A
A
minus
minus
B,
B.
follow.
B minus
C
C.
minus A, B
B
minus.
minus
Next.
C minus A minus B. B minus C.
What does your second row now becomes?
0.
Second row now becomes
0.
A minus B, B minus C, C minus A. 0. Something. Or, hello, I performed on rows. I performed on rows. Bichare, columns, bichare, columns. They are weeping. Columns are weeping like a small kid. So we should pacify columns also. We can do along columns. What we'll do? Column 3 replaced by
C1 plus C2 plus 2.
column 3 plus column 1 plus column 2. So A minus B, B minus C, C minus A. 0, 0. That is. You can do any method. But just imagine solving this problem by expansion, by general usual expansion. Life becomes horrible, life becomes miserable.
Done, sir.
I'll write one more column. Answer man. बच्चे लोग
No, sir.
answer man.
Zero.
Can you add rows? 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 Answer is no. रोज यहाँ कुछ नहीं कर सकते. रोज को छीना मना है. रोज को टच करना. रोज को टच करना. रोज को छूना. रोज को छूना. रोज को टच करना मना है. You should not touch rows. Only columns. You can play. You can fiddle. You can play whatnot with the columns.
Excuse me, sir. Why we can't use rows in this?
If you use rows, what you will get, man? P minus Q plus L minus M plus X minus Y. इसको क्या कर लोगे? इसको क्या कर लोगे?
Sir, those are columns, no?
Yes, sir. These are columns, no?
You are adding this one, man. P minus Q, L minus M. You are adding this.
Sir, that is column, no?
These are columns, man.
Sir, that is rows na, sir. Sir, yes, sir, correct, sir.
I'm correct, man.
Yes, sir. You are correct, sir.
I'm correct from past 26 years. This is my 27th year. I'm correct from past 27 years.
Yes, sir.
Look here. Column 2 करेंगे. Column 2 replaced by बोलो P minus Q, L minus M, X minus Y. बोलो Q minus R, column 2. ये दोनों ऐड कर रहे हैं. P minus Q, R minus P. बोलो M minus N, L minus M, N minus L. बोलो Y minus Z, X minus Y, Z minus X. You should not write this step, man. People will laugh at you if you see your notes and see this step. Third column. R minus P. Dash, dash, dash. Shonya, Shonya, Shonya. Dash, dash, dash. Since entries of are all
If we do for one column, it's enough, no, sir.
one column only. If two columns, more happy.
Excuse me, sir. I'm still not understanding how we can't use rows.
You will not get any zeros by using rows, man. You try using rows. Tell me if you are getting zero. From tomorrow, I'll use rows only. Your name?
Zahiruddin Adnan.
Zahiruddin.
Sir, you are using rows only, no?
I'm adding these two, man. I added these two. These are rows. These are columns.
Yes, sir.
If you want to treat them as rows, you treat it as rows. It is your mercy. For me, they are rows and columns. For you, if they are columns and rows, nothing will happen. Change it. Is the logic clear? Forget
Yes, sir.
about the word rows and columns. Forget about the word rows and columns. Is the logic clear?
Yes, sir.
Use your own language, man. Who will ask you? Are they going to look at your proof?
No, sir.
Final answer is enough. So use your own terminology. Nothing will happen. Can I clear this off?
Yes, sir.
Something like this, man. Determinant base piece, base keys, base bavis, base tennis. Base keys, base bavis, base tennis. Will you multiply by?
No, sir.
See you day after tomorrow.
Sir, -2. Sir, -2.
हेलो जहीरुद्दीन अदनान, ये रो 1 है, ये रो 2 है, ये दोनों सबट्रैक्ट करेंगे। अब तक ऐड किया। अब पहली बार रिमेंबर रो 2 आई एम रिप्लेसिंग बाय रो 2 प्लस -1 टाइम्स रो 1। This is lambda, this is lambda, this is lambda. Lambda 1 here is chosen as -1.
-2, sir.
बच्चों लोग इसका नाम क्या है? नाम क्या है? रो 2 रिप्लेस बाय रो 2 माइनस रो 1। अदनान, ये रो है कॉलम है जी?
Row.
फिर मैं वही बोल रहा हूँ। सो क्या होगा? 20 20 20 21 फिक्स्ड, 20 20 20 21 फिक्स्ड। टच नहीं करना, सब एक्सट्रैक्ट करो। 20 21 माइनस 20 20 क्या देगा?
2.
2। 20 22 माइनस 20 21, 20 22 माइनस 20 21 क्या देगा? 2।
2.
Shall we multiply? Don't take 2 common। क्या देगा? 20 20 20 21 1 1। Now shall we expand? Yes. Shall we expand? Yes. Shall we expand? Yes. So what will I get? 2 into 20 20 minus 20 21। बोले 2 बोलो आंसर।
Sir, Shoaib, Karimnagar.
आंसर गलत है, -2 है जी।
Sir, I said -2 only.
Then you are correct.
Completed, sir.
Can I clear this off?
Yes, sir.
Ready, man?
Yes, sir.
I'm just waiting for a problem and wait.
But 0.
Who's that? Your name,
Abrar.
please.
Mohammed Abrar.
अपना 0 बोल दिया और कोई? अबरार 0 बोल दिया, और कोई? क्या करेंगे? व्हाट इज p plus q whole square minus of p minus q whole square? बच्चे लोग, व्हाट इज दिस?
4pq.
4PQ.
So a power x plus a power minus x whole square, a power x minus a power minus x whole square,
4.
4.
four into a power x into a power minus x.
4.
So क्या करना? क्या करना? क्या करना? बोलो. Column 1 replaced by what? बच्चे लोग, lambda,
-1.
that is column 1 replaced by, ये दोनों subtract हो जाएंगे. What will be the first entry? ये जो भी है मेरे को फर्क नहीं पड़ता. We are not writing subject to exam. We are writing object to exam. Use such techniques. Don't write these entries. Waste of time and energy. Man. क्या करेंगे?
4 common.
4 common. कॉलम 1 से क्या देगा? एक एक एक. What is this? Y is 0. Y is 0. C1 identical to C3. C1 identical to C3. बच्चे लोग रेडी? बच्चे लोग रेडी?
Yes, sir.
अरे जबू अम्मा शांति से बता. देखना ఎందుకన్నా? चलो भाई. बच्चे लोग रेडी?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Just because your school basics are strong, just because school में multiplication अच्छा पढ़ाए, just because अपना अपना school में multiplication 5th 6th class में अच्छा पढ़ाए, don't use multiplication and expand. Life becomes horrible.
Sir, 0.
Why? How? It is there in the homework. The homework which I gave, this problem is there.
Sir, column 2 minus column 3 minus column 2 and column 2 minus column 1.
Shall I? Your examination paper, tomorrow's paper contains questions from both matrices and determinants. Around 7-8 questions I gave from matrices also.
Sir, 0 answer.
So 0, sir.
Why and how?
Sir, column 3 minus column 2 and column 2 minus column 1.
Both will give
We
1.
will
So
get 1, 1, 1.
2 rows will
So
be,
two
2
two
columns will be
columns will
identical.
be equal.
एक column fix कर देंगे.
Yes, sir.
What we will do? You can fix rows also. It
Yes,
is
sir.
not that columns are my friends and rows are my enemies. Rows and columns, both of them are my friends. Rows are not my enemies. Do one thing. I will do on rows. Sorry, I will do on columns. In your notes, you do on columns and rows. I'll give you time. I repeat, man. On the board, I will do on columns. In the notes, you do both on rows and columns. Column 1, column 2, I'll replace by where, that is column 2 I replace by, and column 3 I'll replace by where, column 1 ही ले लेंगे. I'm doing on columns. You copy on columns. Notes में do on both columns and rows. I repeat. I request. What will I get? 20, 20, 23, 20, 26. Subtract these two, man क्या देगा? 1, 1, 1. Subtract these two. Can you see the answer? Can you see the answer? 20, 20, 2 common from column 3. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Since C2 identical to, come on.
Excuse me, sir, I have a doubt.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, how we can identify that column 2 is replaced by column 2 minus column 1 and column 3 is replaced by column 3 minus.
How to identify means you look at rows and you look at columns. Can you see any similarity when you add and subtract? That's what you are supposed to observe.
Okay, sir.
When you either add or subtract, can you see any similarity? Is the question. Based on that, you act.
Okay, sir.
Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Any striking feature in rows and columns. That is what you are supposed to observe. Now, the top secret of determinants. With this, we close down for the day. The top secret of determinants. Determinant Bachalo, pay attention. That's the reason why he stopped giving problems on determinants, because he knows students will use this chore method. Bachalo, pay attention. Bachalo, pay attention. Based on this technique, entire determinants chapter can be nullified. Entire determinants chapter becomes void. Entire determinants chapter will become zero. Entire determinants will become dead duck. You will tell, "Arey, determinants so easy?" That is what you say after looking at this method. You will learn this. Apply this in the exam. But not during practice. Pay attention. First one, a famous in this chore method, don't substitute in the options. Don't substitute in the problem. Substitute in the options. What you do? Give your own values to A, B, C. Does not mean you give A 1 lakh, B 2 crores, C 10 trillions. If you give values like that, your life only becomes horrible. Don't give 10 trillions, 20 trillions, 30 millions. Give simplest ones. What is the simplest one?
1, 2, 3.
Say A0, B0, C0. Don't ever substitute in the problem. Always substitute in the options first. Condition. All 4 options must be different. This is very important, man. Please write this in the notes also. All 4 options must be distinct. What do option A says? Option B says. Option C says. Option D says. Are all the four distinct? Are all the four different? Are all the four alag-alag? Are
Sorry.
all the four alag-alag? Yes. Can I proceed now? Can I
Yes,
proceed
sir.
now?
Yes, sir.
Substitute in the problem. Determinant क्या देगा? 1 0 0 0 1 0. What's the answer? Which option is giving you 1? Answer is that. इतना आसान है. Now, even though you feel once you get the answer, why to learn the other method? Please learn other method. Exam में, mains में, advanced में, he frames problems in such a way that this method will not work out. He is very smart. Don't underestimate your examiner. Don't. कभी-कभी ये method भी लग रहा. कभी-कभी this method also is working out, but still, don't underestimate your examiner. He is definitely smarter than all of us. So please learn the method also. What's the method? Adding rows. Does it help? 3A, 3B, 3C. Somebody, I think it was Adnan who asked me, sir, kaisa karenge? How do you identify C1 replaced by C3 replaced by? Trial and error. There is no, rules, regulations written. There is one rule. I'll tell you that in this problem, aega. There is one rule. There is no method. You should try. Adding rows, does it help? No. Adding columns, does it help? Yes. When you add these three, what you will get? A plus B plus C plus 1. A plus B plus C plus 1. A plus B plus C plus 1. So, column 1 I will replace by. I give you time. It will be there on the board. Do not copy. Do not copy. It will be there on the board. Please, all of you, look at your screens. Listen to the method. What's the first entry? Second one. Next one. What am I left over with? B. C, C. What will take common? A plus B plus C plus 1 common. This is from column 1. 1, 1, 1. B. B plus 1 B. C, C. 1 plus. Try to get zeros. Try to get zeros. How can you get a zero? Subtract these two. How can you get a zero? How can you get a zero? How can you get a zero? Subtract these two.
Yes, sir.
Fix one of them. I'll fix this. I'll fix this. These two I'll subtract. These two I'll subtract. That is, which is fixed? What shall we do? Follow. C2 replaced by C3 replaced by. बाहर क्या आया? बाहर क्या है? बाहर लॉकर में क्या है? बैंक में क्या है? बैंक में क्या है? बैंक में क्या है? A plus B plus C plus 1. What am I? 1 B C. Subtract शून्य. Subtract इक्का. Subtract शून्य. Remember, in a determinant, more and more you have, easy to expand. In a determinant, more and more zeros you have, easy to expand. 1 minus 1 शून्य, b minus शून्य, 1 plus minus c, what do you get? What sort of a matrix? What sort of a matrix? Triangular matrix. Triangular matrix. What is that equal to? Product of diagonalities.
Sir,
What's the
R1 is
answer?
fixed, no? R2 minus R1. Sir, you wrote C1 is fixed.
Oh. Agreed? All of you. All of you. This is Shor method, classical method. Exam में एक यूज करना
Yes, sir, you will say a rule.
what man?
He said you will say a rule, no, sir.
I cannot hear you. Abha.
He said you will say a rule.
I said
You will say a rule, sir. A rule matrices.
yeah. I'll tell you tomorrow. These are the if entries of a row are all ones. Row में ones है, column में ones है.
Column.
Column ones use row operation. Row ones use column operations. That is the rule. Anyway, we'll put that formally in the next class on Monday.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Column में ones row operations. Row में ones column operations. That's a standard method. I'll speak about that on Monday.
Okay, sir.
Once copied, you can drop off. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you very much, sir. Bye, sir.
నాకు అర్థం కాలేదు వాడు వంటింటికి వస్తాడు నువ్వు ఓకే నువ్వు వాడితో పాటు ఇంటికి వస్తావా ఇద్దరం కలిసి వెళ్తాము ఇద్దరు కలిసి ఇంటికి వచ్చేప్పుడు నేను తీసుకుని వెళ్తాను పక్కా తీసుకెళ్తాను డిసైడ్ అసలు ముందు వాడు వాడు అందుకే వచ్చేస్తాడు నాకు అప్పుడు ఇంటికి సాయంత్రం అయిపోయింది అక్కడ తీసుకున్నాను
Thank you, man. I'm logging out.